Hello, welcome back to my channel again on Dahlias. This is an update, part 2 of the Dahlia Leaf Cuttings I did about 3 weeks ago. If you've not seen it, go on the channel and just look at the age-old method of taking cuttings by leaf cuttings. Now, 3 weeks ago I said to you that they'll be shooting up from the bottom of the leaf, which I was done. Like, as you can see, there's a fair old shoot on each of these now. They've all taken. See? Now they should be rooted now. I've not checked them now. This is like, say, 3 weeks ago. The shoots pop up almost immediately, like a couple of days after, and you think to yourself, oh great, but they don't root as fast. So now 3 weeks later, I'm hoping there should be some decent roots. So what I'll do now is I'll tip these out, put my fingers down so I don't break them, and we'll tip these out and we'll see if there's any. Yeah, they've rooted. Yeah. Now, so what I'll do, I'll take them out, and now if you can see, do you remember when I took the stem and the leaf? Well, there's the cutting, the shoot from between the thing, and it has rooted well now. Now what we'll do with these now, let's have a look. They've all rooted. Let's have a look. That's that one. Yep, that one's rooted as well. There's the stem, there's the roots. Check these two. Yeah, not a great deal of roots on them, but they're getting there. 3 weeks, a couple more, another week or two. That's a good one. Plenty of roots on that one. So I've got all four took. Now what we can do with these to tidy them up a little bit, we don't need that leaf now. That was the leaf attached to the stem, so we can just cut that at the bottom. We can take that off now, and there we've got a dahlia cutting. Now that'll grow and turn to a proper dahlia plant, look just like any other, even with that leaf missing. So what I'll do now, I'll just put that down a minute. I'll just get some compost. Now this is sieved compost, because the compost you buy these days is always full of stones and bricks, and I even got a nail, bent 4-inch nail last year, and it took the skin off my finger, so I always sieve it now, make sure. So just put a little bit of compost in the bottom of the pot. I'm going to lie that down like that, in suspense like that, and then just keeping hold of the plant just to make sure it doesn't move about. And when you get enough compost in, you can let go of it like that. A couple of fingers either side round it, and just lightly, not too hard. Don't start pressing down, because if you press down and compact all the compost, you'll notice like a green sheen filming where the drainage is really bad. You can't. There you go. Just like that. Label it, which is the Dahlia poo, which is a collarette. Sorry, not poo. Rhubarb and custard. And that's one. I'll do exactly the same with these three. So as you can see there, you've got 4 cuttings off a stem, where normally you'd only take 1 cutting off it. So it's a great way of increasing your stock of, like, say, a tuber that you've short of. It's very hard to get hold of, a rare one. And like I say, all you've got to do again is just, that leaf's not required no more. You don't need to take it off, but you can do. Just say about a centimetre from the bottom, cut it off, and there you've got a perfect dahlia cutting. And that is the age-old method of leaf cuttings. Now you can't use that obviously, because it's got no stem attached to it, so if you put that on, it wouldn't work. You've got to have that little piece of stem, like I shown you how to cut in the first video. So look back on the videos and you'll see the leaf cuttings video. Watch that one first, and then you'll see how we did it. Hope this has helped you. I hope you can increase your stock as well with this method, because it's a fantastic method of cuttings. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.